Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this 44-piece socket set. This is going to be great for your car, your truck, your bicycle, your motorcycles, whatever it is that you need a socket set for. This could be the right product. Let's take it back to the back desk, open this container up, and see exactly what we get from this brand. Yes, this was sent out to me to review, and that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to test it and let you guys know if this is a yes or no. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are back here on the back desk. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I have opened this and I have used this, so I will give you guys a little spoiler. So far, this has been a great product. Inside of the box, you guys are going to find a variety of different sockets and extenders. Let me see if I can position this a little bit better for you guys. All right, so let's say starting off from the top up here, all of these extenders here are magnetized. So you guys probably can see the magnet that's inside right here. That's going to be great for, picking up screws, things that may fall off. You have some other accessories here, like some extenders, some universal joints. You have Phillips head screwdrivers as well. And then, of course, you have an array of sockets, including the socket wrench. Now, this is made of a very unique metal. It has a really nice coating on here. Supposedly, that's to prevent it from rusting or anything like that. I haven't had it long enough to know if that's the case, but I have had other tools that have a similar finish, and they have been with me for years. So if that's the case, this should last a very long time as well. And like I said, you get a lot of different tools here. Now, what I like about the socket set is that you get a variety of different sizes. Now I kind of got these all out of order, but you guys get the idea. You got 15 all the way down to 5, actually down to 4, and you have some half sizes as well. So like this is a 4.5 and that's a 4. So that is really, really nice that you have such a variety of tools in this one little kit. So one of the other things that I like about these type of kits, you can use them with other tools. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to use this with one of your, power drills or something like that. It's not going to be a problem whatsoever. You're just going to pop this guy in like that, lock it down. And now you'll be able to use this with one of your power drills, impact drills, whatever it's going to be. It has the really nice points on here. As you guys can see, 6 points on here. So this is going to prevent rounding. That's really nice. So for the most part, guys, if you're looking for a compact, I would almost say travel-friendly size socket set, this could be exactly what you're looking for. I like this design. I like the compactness of it. The fact that I could throw this under the seat of my truck or in a car, and this is going to be ideal for working on my motorcycles when I have to remove things, side panels, things like that. This is a win. And like I said, I have used this already, so yeah, I give this the Rome stamp of approval. It has been great using this, and I would love to thank the brand that sent this out for me to review. This is an excellent product. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.